Looks good. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Jerry from Bigelow Woodcraft, and we're at the sawmill today. We've had some, it's April 2nd or 3rd. We've had some snow in West Michigan, but looks like most of the snow's gone. You might be able to see a little bit. We got about 2 inches of snow yesterday, Saturday. Today's Sunday. This will come out on Tuesday. And I'm looking forward to spring. Some of you know I am a baseball coach, and we were able to get one game in so far this year, so that's a good thing. But today we got a pine on here, top of a white pine. But before I get going on this and tell you what I'm going to do here, I've been noticing on YouTube the sawmill community, how fantastic it is. You know, I get so many fantastic comments and questions and ideas from you guys, and I've been following this one guy. If you haven't followed him, go check him out. His name's Everyday with Nick. He's over in the UK, I believe, on the other side of the pond. He's got the OS27. He's got some things he's tweaking on it. His saw head's not level, and he gave me the idea after watching a few of his videos, checking my saw head. And my saw head is not level either, but my blade is really close to being level to the plane of the mill. So I've not experienced the problems he's had. I don't know if this is a design flaw in this or if it's the bushing system they use. You know, there is a lot of weight and torque on this thing, and I can't move it, but I'm not going to mess with it because my mill cuts well. But he's been watching it, so check him out. His channel's called Everyday with Nick. Cool channel. He's got all kinds of different projects on it. He doesn't have a big channel. He's like me. Small channel, probably less than 1,000 subscribers. I think he said less than 1,000, trying to grow his channel. So go check him out, Everyday with Nick. But on this is this little chunk of white pine. I need some 2x4s. 10 inches on the small end, 13 inches on the big end. So that means I can get a 7-inch cant. So 7-inch, I'm going to make nominal 1.5 by 3.5. So I should be able to get 8, 2, 3. I should be able to get 4. I might be able to get 10 2x4s. Might be able to get 10 2x4s out of this. And I need them 6 foot long. So let's see how this goes. Haven't fired up the mill yet, so we got to take care of that. I'm having problems. I just noticed I'm getting crud inside my tank, and I'm going to tell you, you can probably see it right now. I have the cap off, and half the time I forget to put the cap back on. So it's full of sawdust, and I just blew it out. I'm going to have to take that tank off, drain it, and it's plugging up my line, but I got it open back up for now. I'm going to get this cut up, see what happens. In the next week or two, in fact, tomorrow, I'm done with this project, or getting close to done. I got a new surprise, a new reveal for the sawmill. Another modification. But let's get this cut, see how the auto feed works, make sure everything's up and running. I got all the connections now soldered together. So this is really going to be the first time I've used it since I've got everything. Well, actually, it's the second time. One of the times you didn't see me videotape it. So videotape, I just guess I aged myself. At least I didn't say filmed it. Okay, here we go. Cutting a little slow here. Got a lot of knots, so I probably should keep them off this pace. rush. Well, guys, that's going to do it for this video. We ended up getting 12 2x4s. I said 8, so we did better than I thought. So 12 2x4s, exactly 3.5 by 1.5 inches, 7 feet 5 inches long. I needed 6 of them, 6 foot long. So, or did I need 8? No, I need 6 because I thought I was going to get 2 extra, and I ended up getting 12. So that was a pleasant surprise. Out of that one log that had the small end was 10 inches, the big end was 13. The power feed ran well. I'm really happy with how the power feed's running. Right now, everything's going well. I didn't make any mistakes today. I had a good rhythm. So that's, like I said, this is it for the video, guys. I'll see you guys at the mill next time. You guys have a great week. Take care.